and inside the land. Yeah, now we can see this is the entrance of the land. You can see there is an entrance road. Then you have to develop a little bit. So there is a nice stream and waterfall. Here you can see it is very rare to find in Sri Lanka a land is with a waterfall inside the land. Now I will show you how is it nice. Right now I am moving upside. The nice rocks and nice pure water, very pure water and nice rocks. The natural water you can see, large stones and rocks. You can see this is the upside of the land. Then this is the downside, which streams fall down. Now we can see there is another piece of water stream, small one. It's very rare. Right. Now this is the waterfall and the entrance you can see. Right. You have to enter the land through this water stream. Yeah. Even you can walk or you can take the vehicle. If you have off-road vehicle, definitely you can drive through. Right. Now that's very nice. This is the down of the waterfall. You can see very nice. There is a small waterfall here. Then you can enter this waterfall from other side of the land. Right. Now I am not going to jump down here. Right. If I wanted, I can do that. Right. Yeah. You can have a try. Let me try, but it is a little bit dangerous because there are some fungi on the rock, right? You can see how if you are a lover of meditation, right, there is a natural, right, rock. You can see it's just like a wall made by human. No, it is the natural one, right? This is the wonder of nature of Sri Lanka, the most popular place, the Pitavala Patalo, in Sri Lanka, in Riverstone. So this is a very golden opportunity for you. Right, please contact me. You can buy this piece of land. Right, the heaven in this world.